Hello, my name is Natasha Wiltsey. This is my presentation on the plastic crisis and how it relates to biotechnology. What personally had grabbed my attention about this is the fact that I have always cared about the amount of plastic that's in the world and the fact that it's a huge portion of our pollution in the world. And working in retail has definitely helped me notice that more because we get a lot of products that come in wrapped in plastic that we have to cut out of that plastic and just throw away. Most plastic comes with adhesives on it, so you're ripping through that as well and throwing that also away. There's plenty of just things that just come in plastic packaging in the first place. Like, I work in a pharmacy, so prescription bottles are plastic generally. A lot of like gauze comes in a plastic package with cardboard backing, things like that. The effects plastic has had on the world is that it's been around for more than 100 years, and it's currently used a lot. We have plastic bags, again, plastic packaging, plastic bottles. 40% of the ocean surface is covered by plastic, and if you look at the picture, you can see the accumulated plastic in the ocean, which is called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It doesn't account for the amount of the plastic that has made its way onto beaches, so it's just counting that 40% of the ocean is covered. And the issue with this is it kills a lot of animals and sea life. Either they're eating it, they're getting tangled up in it. That's why they suggest when you have pop cans that come in the little plastic carrier type thing, you cut those apart so it doesn't have the holes, it's all broken. There are two different kinds of ways for degrading it is generally the enzymes that are used, and the two I found are the Idonella sacchariensis and Pseudoenzima antarctica. How the enzymes works. It's similar to how human saliva works with our enzymes. So like when you're eating, it breaks down your food. Well, this breaks down plastic, and one of them was made specifically to accelerate the degradation of plastics. The benefits of it are there's a lot of major ones. There's a lot less pollution for starters in the world. Beaches are cleaner, which is safer for animals. Few animals will die as a result of the cleaner beaches and less plastic being in the oceans. And like I said, some plastics they'll release toxins as they start to deteriorate, but there's also the issue of, like I said, there are adhesives on a lot of plastics. Those adhesives can be toxic, or the plastic can be a carrier of a toxin. So if you have like a bottle of acid that's in like a plastic container that you use, or like Drano comes in plastic containers, and you throw that away, if it makes its way into the ocean, you're getting Drano into the ocean because there's going to be that residue on the inside of the bottle. And it's alone better for humans, and just from the ecological standpoint. Okay, sorry, some people walked in. As I was saying, it is better for humans just from an ecological standpoint of helping the environment. It also helps because if you think about it, we drink water. If water gets polluted, it harms us as well. Same with things like plastic pellets that get in the ocean. Fish eat that. We eat fish. So there's a lot of things like that. The enzyme Idonella sacchariensis was actually discovered. It was not made. They found it growing on low crystallinity PET films. And I put a picture in of its chemical makeup, and you can see all of that. So if you paid attention in any environmental chemistry classes, you'll be able to understand it better than I can. But yeah, that one was discovered rather than made. Then the enzyme Pseudoenzima antarctica was actually made. It was made from rice husks. They isolated a strain from it, and then they genetically engineered it to enhance the degrading properties that they had in it and make it accelerate better so it could better degrade through plastics. Then the ethics of it, there aren't really any ethics to this due to it not having any animal or human participants. It is just enzymes. and it was genetically engineered enzymes for one, but that's the only thing that you could kind of pull up ethics on, since genetic engineering alone is kind of a touchy subject for some people. But these genes aren't being used to like change humans or animals. It's not even changing what we eat. It is only being used to degrade plastic and make the world a better, healthier place. Here's my works cited. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye.